it's me, Aaron, and today I just want to show you how it's almost like a snowstorm. I mean, it's really cool. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the little bell, and post your notifications. Comment down below if you want me to go outside and jump in it. That'll be really fun. And this is what it looks like at the other window. Looks like a disaster.
You can actually.
There's one, and then if we go over here, looks good. And if I go over here, next to my neighbor's yard, going over next to mine. And if I go over there, then that's not that bad. But it's a little bit of, there is quite a bit of snow. I just wanted to show you guys how cool it is. And make sure you like, subscribe, hit the little bell. I already said that. That's how wet it is. Okay, so tell me guys if I'm gonna come back later today. It's literally hanging on the wall. Whoa, that's how wet it was. So I'll come back in a little and make sure that, well, and if you already don't know, I have other soccer videos. I'm gonna be doing how to throw a cast net videos. Later in like December, I may do little gaming videos. And sometimes I made it, like today I made a baking video. And so yeah, I don't have that much views because I started yesterday and that's not the best, so I'm just gonna let my camera roll. It'll stop when it stops. And peace.
When you're watching a film with somebody on the remote, it always looks calmer than it actually is. It is flat out rough. We're gonna get all Aubrey's gear ready. He's gonna go.
And guys, if you hear that in the background, that's just my dad. He's watching a fishing video, and I forgot to say later this whenever me, my dad, and my dad's from Mr. Donnie, and this spring we will go down to Florida, and we're gonna do a deep sea fishing, and maybe I can bring you guys along, and then I can make a video of that, and maybe I can take pictures, videos, and send it on YouTube. So yeah. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Peace, and make sure you like, subscribe. Peace.